Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cinnamon roll blondies. These are so delicious, so let's just get to the video. Prepare your pan. Spray. Also going to line it with parchment paper. We're going to put this off to the side. Moving on to the batter. So first we're going to be browning our butter. This is a really important step. I just cut the butter into small pieces so it can be easier to melt. When you see some brown bits at the bottom, turn off the heat. Add in some ice cubes to cool down the butter so it doesn't burn any of the other ingredients. Smells amazing. To a large bowl, we're going to add in our brown butter, white sugar, vanilla extract, and brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar, but you can do whatever brown sugar you want. Now we're going to give this a quick mix. Now we're going to add in 2 eggs and some egg yolks. Mix again. Now we're going to add in some flour, baking powder, and some salt. Now we're going to mix it all together. Scoop the batter into the pan. Try to get every last drop. Smooth it out. Now we're going to set this to the side. And now we're going to make a cream cheese mix. Now add in some softened cream cheese, sugar, and some vanilla. Set it off to the side. Now we're going to be making the cinnamon mixture. Melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Mix. Refrigerate for about 8 minutes. Time to combine everything. So we got our cinnamon and our cream cheese mixture. Plop it in different areas. Now the cinnamon mixture. Now we're going to swirl it all together. Now time to pop this in the oven. So I got some leftover cream cheese frosting from the other day, so I'm going to just drizzle it over the blondies. Alright, it looks pretty good. Let's try it. That's so good. See you guys later.